Hey guys, welcome back to Enjoyable Entertainment. Today, I'm gonna open this car. It's an Car 33 Nissan GTR R35 Nismo 2020. And as you see, it's already been a little bit broken. I tried to open it, and I finally did it. So, let's give it a shot. Alright, so it's just the car. It's a beautiful condition. Looks pretty realistic. So yeah. Oh yeah, we got a box here. Look. So, okay. I guess that's it. I'm not sure I'm gonna upload this, but if I do, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and peace out. Alright. Peace out. Okay. Bye.